Innotech, breaking the mold with 3D mixes, well worth more than gold. Sealing and bonding, we've got the solution. Printing nozzles and mixes, causing a revolution. The future is printed, don't you see? Innotech's the number one, breaking boundaries with precision and speed. We've got a soar. 3D printed mix and the nozzles, we've got the score. Innotech, breaking the mold with 3D mixes, well worth more than gold. Sealing and bonding, we've got the solution. Printing nozzles and mixes, causing a revolution. The future is printed, don't you see? Innotech's the number one, breaking boundaries with precision and speed. We've got a soar. 3D printed mix and the nozzles, we've got the score. Innotech, breaking the mold with 3D mixes, well worth more than gold. Sealing and bonding, we've got the solution. Printing nozzles and mixes, causing a revolution.